Good morning, children. Welcome to Mahila Samaja online class. Today, we are going to discuss about the continuation part of the lesson Mission Mangalyaan. First, we recapitulate what we have discussed in previous class. Then, we are going to start the remaining part of the lesson. ISRO, the full form Indian Space Research Organization, began its journey in 1969. The first Indian satellite, Aryabhata, was launched in 1975. Next, India sent its first satellite, Chandrayaan 1, to the moon in 2008. After the moon, ISRO astronomers decided to explore the planet Mars, as it is the neighbor of Earth in solar system. The Mars orbiter mission, commonly referred to as Mangalyaan, is a space probe launched by ISRO on November 5, 2013 from the Satish Dhawan Space Center launchpad at Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. Then Mangalyaan took 298 days to enter the orbit of Mars on 24 September 2014. India is the first Asian nation and the fourth in the world to reach the Mars orbit and the first in the world to achieve it on its first attempt. Being the best, India is the only country to have a successful Mars mission at first attempt. I mean, out of 51 missions to Mars, only 21 missions achieved success after several attempts. But only ISRO became the first organization to launch a space probe to Mars and achieve success in the first attempt. Let us read the next paragraph. What makes this mission special is that all parts of the space probe Mangalyaan have been manufactured in India, hence making it completely indigenous. Moreover, while NASA took 5 long years to create MAVEN, their spacecraft to Mars, ISRO created their space probe in only 15 months. The Mangalyaan is shaped like a cuboid and its main engine is named Kumbhakarna, the sleeping demon from the epic Ramayana. Mangalyaan space probe has been constantly sending reports and pictures of the Martian surface features and shape, mineral composition, and the composition of the atmosphere of the red planet. The purpose of Mangalyaan is also to find out about the possibility of life on Mars or proof of existence of life, if any, in the past. It has been studying the surface features of Mars and looking for signs of atmospheric methane, if any. Presence of methane in atmosphere indicates presence of life currently or in the past. Mangalyaan is the most economical interplanetary mission accomplished till date in the whole world. The indigenously built space probe Mangalyaan means all parts of the space probe manufactured in India only. Here indigenous means native or belong to a particular place rather than coming to it from somewhere else. I mean here all parts of the space probe manufactured in India only. NASA, the space organization, research organization in USA. It took 5 years. NASA, do you know children what is the full form of NASA? National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Already you know USA is the developed country, isn't it? But it took 5 years long to create MAVEN. MAVEN is the name of NASA's spacecraft to Mars. But ISRO created their space probe in only 15 months. Already you know India is a developing country. USA is the developed country. But it took only 15 months to create its space probe. And Mangalyaan is a cuboid shaped space probe, and of its main engine, the name of its main engine is Kumbhakarna, sleeping demon. Sleeping demon from the epic Ramayana. Already you have learnt about Ramayana. Kumbhakarna was the younger brother of Ravana. Mission Mangalyaan is aimed at studying Martian. Martian means related to the planet Mars. Atmosphere. Its objective is to explore Martian surface features, mineralogy, morphology, and atmosphere using indigenous scientific instruments. Now tell me, what is the purpose of Mangalyaan? The main purpose of Mangalyaan is to study the constituents of Martian atmosphere, including methane. What do you mean by methane? Methane is the simplest hydrocarbon consisting of one carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atoms. So its chemical name is CH4. CH4 means one carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atoms. It is a powerful greenhouse gas and it is flammable and used as a fuel worldwide. It is principal component of natural gas that we can use to produce heat. Methane presence in atmosphere indicates the presence of life currently or in the past. Now tell me, how is Mangalyaan trying to find proof of existence of life on Mars? Mangalyaan is trying to find existence of life on Mars by looking for atmospheric methane, as presence of methane in atmosphere indicates presence of life currently or in the past. Mangalyaan is the most economical, means providing good service or value in relation to the amount of time or money spent. Here the project MOM sets an example for how planning and teamwork can contribute to build a quality product at low cost. ISRO created MOM within short time and with low cost. See here, Mangalyaan spent $71 million in Indian currency 450 crores. Here Mars Express Orbiter, once again $71 million. NASA spent $671 million, and Japan spent $189 million. Russia, China $117 million. So, India created with short time and with low cost. So, here see costing rupees 450 crore for the entire journey. Mangalyaan travelled 780 million kilometers at rupees 5 rupees 70 paisa per kilometer, less than what auto rickshaws charge. Here it is the India's first interplanetary mission, which is aimed to the ISRO to enter the elite group of space agencies, including the Soviet space program, NASA, and the European Space Agency, to reach Mars. And it is special to it is very special to ISRO. Now, let us read next paragraph. It is also the first completely autonomous space probe. Mangalyaan is special to ISRO because the youngest team of ISRO scientists executed the mission. The National Space Society NSS of the USA awarded the 2015 Space Pioneer Award to ISRO for the success of Mars Orbiter mission. ISRO had received a similar award in recognition of the success of the lunar probe Chandrayaan-1. Mission Mangalyaan has instilled a sense of great pride in all Indians across the world. The scientists at ISRO hope that the new generation of students will be inspired by their achievement and will aim to become scientists and astronomers at ISRO. See here, MOM or Mars Orbiter mission is special to ISRO because the youngest team of scientists executed the mission, and it is the first completely autonomous space probe. Autonomous means able to control its own affairs. See Mars here, you can see picture on the screen. Mars Orbiter mission trajectory. How Mars Orbiter mission orbited the Mars. Clear picture given here. Then see, I will show you few scientists who involved to create Mars Orbiter mission. Nandini Harinath, Project Manager, Mission Design Deputy, Operations Director, Mars Orbiter mission. And Ritu Karidal. Next, Anuradha TK, Moumita Datta, Subbhaya Arunan, and Mileswamy Annadurai, K. Radhakrishnan, Madhavan Chandradattan, M.Y.S. Prasad, Minal Rohit, P. Kunhi Krishnan, and S.K. Shivkumar and A.S. Kiran Kumar. These are all youngest team of scientists executed the mission. So we are proud of our country as India has like this talented and dedicated scientists. Then National Space Society of the USA, NSS awarded Space Pioneer Award to ISRO for the success of MOM, and it has received a similar award in recognition of the success of the lunar probe Chandrayaan 1. Now Mangalyaan has instilled means inculcate gradually but firmly establish in a person's mind the sense of great pride in all Indians, and the scientists of ISRO hope that the students of new generations will be inspired by the achievements of scientists at ISRO, and they will aim to become scientists and astronomers at ISRO. Children, an illustration of the Mars orbiter mission spacecraft is featured on the reverse of the 2000 currency note of India. Yes, you can see 2000 note on the screen now. To celebrate India's Mars mission, 2000 notes will carry an image of the Mangalyaan depicting the country's first venture into interplanetary space. Space probe. Then, now tell me children, why are scientists looking for life or livable conditions on other planets? Scientists are looking for life on other planets because that could open up a whole new understanding of how life came on Earth. There could also be a possibility of movement to another planet. I hope you have understood the topic. Now, home assignment. What is the purpose of Mangalyaan? First question, what is the purpose of Mangalyaan? The purpose of Mangalyaan is also to find out about the possibility of life on Mars or proof of existence of life, if any, in the past. Second question, how is Mangalyaan trying to find proof of existence of life on Mars? Mangalyaan is trying to find existence of life on Mars by looking for atmospheric methane, as presence of methane in atmosphere indicates presence of life currently or in the past. Okay children, watch the video till end and do the given home assignment. Thank you children.